bot battle.
All right, guys, what are we doing?
Today we're having a bot battle with remote control vacuums. On the left we got BattleBots. Right there, BattleBot. It's got a Indominus Rex on top. It has one dinosaur piggybacking on the other raptor. I have no idea what that's about. And it has two balloons. It has a knife at the end.
Except for that's an Indoraptor.
That's an Indoraptor, whatever. Yeah. And on the right we have Unibrow. He has a major unibrow. Each one of these bots are identical. They have one sharp object sticking out of its mouth with two balloons. They're gonna
same brand.
Same brand vacuum too. We're gonna have them go at each other, and the first one that pops both balloons wins. So let's get this going, shall we? We're filming. Okay, let the bot battle begin. Alright, looks like BattleBots is approaching here. They decided to put their back to Not much is happening, they're just spinning around. Okay, we gotta face each other. Okay, it's all about, oh, here we go. Oh! Okay, Unibrow got a point. Oh! Come on, BattleBot. Come on, Dino. Oh, that was close. That knife is not correct. Hold on,
That's not looking good.
BattleBot looks. What is the dinosaur fell on the back as well? This might take a long. Unibot is in big trouble. Its knife is slanted, it's kind of falling off. Unibot isn't seeming to take advantage of the situation that he's in. He's in a major advantage and he's not doing anything about it. What are you doing? His battle's over there. What are you doing, Unibot? This guy might have an opportunity here if he can engage. He can get the back balloons on Unibrow here. Come on, BattleBot. We got money on you. Storage on this.
Oh no!
So we're good here. This might take a while. Oh, here we go. Oh, what was that, Unibrow? Unibrow almost won just now. Come on. Alright, gotta get closer. Here we go. Oh, come on. Turn. You can do it. That was really close. He actually went over the balloons and none of them popped. These knives aren't very sharp, you guys. I guess that's a good thing. Yeah, BattleBot's just spinning around each other. I think they're afraid of each other. They're social distancing, that's what they're doing. Look what I got. That's what they look like.
That's the quarantine over.
Yeah.
Come on,
Unibot. Come on,
guys.
We had one balloon pop in like the first minute. And then
You might have to go to high power mode.
what's that? Are we gonna do high power mode?
Max power mode.
Max power.
Oh, here we go. Max power. Hell, it doesn't go. Let's put it on. Come on, Unibrow. It's not a sword fight, it's a balloon fight. All this stuff together. Oh, Oh, here we go. Here. Oh, what was that? One of the dinosaurs.
Casualty.
Unibrow wins.
Unibrow is your winner. Unibrow. I feel to lose, dinosaur. I can't. I don't know. Oh wait. I'm gonna take a shower. Bye.
Round two. Ready. Fight.
Okay, here we go. Let it begin. Unibrow won it last time? Yeah, Unibrow won it last time.
Mommy, this is what I'm trying to do. Oh, we're getting close. Oh, come on.
Here we go.
What the?
Oh my gosh.
Coward, get back in the fight.
That was the nice
Looks like one. Oh, there's two balloons.
What are those balloons? Please don't get body food. Get body food.
Okay, that guy just go sit there. That was like a sword fight.
Oh no!
Okay, we lost the knife. Okay, Dinobot lost the knife. He's down! He's down!
Down. Fatality.
Dinobot wins!
Final round. Fight.
Here we go. They're both spinning around in circles. They're just spinning around in circles. Dinobot kind of blends into the background.
What, green?
Yeah. Whoever wins this one wins the whole thing.
We're going to close.
There you go, get closer. Come on.
There we go.
Here we go. Oh, we got one. Dinobot wins!
Dinobot wins.
Stuck. Dinobot is your winner. She lost the last two.
Hey Mom, can I make it so that one pops those ones?
Dinobot wins.